Alright, here just doing a quick follow-up video on these package bees we installed a few days ago. If you remember, we did a 3 packages into a horizontal hive. Just taking a quick look here to see what these bees are doing. You can see they're really going to town on that fondant we gave them. Maybe better to see in this picture. So she's released and they're doing just fine. Great. I'm gonna give them their fondant patty back. Let them keep working. We're gonna give them half a pollen patty so they can work on that too. I don't particularly like wearing gloves because I think it affects my dexterity. Those large beekeeping gloves, I think you crush a lot of bees with those gloves. But when you're doing stuff like fondant, pollen patties, and even just touching the frames, you get so much beeswax and propolis on your fingers. I like to wear these really thin medical gloves. I think they really help keep your hands clean, which keeps all your equipment clean. First time using a horizontal hive this year, and right off the bat I don't particularly like it because you can't work it from the side. You got to kind of stand behind it, which makes it awkward to twist in here. It's not a normal feel. Normally I stand on the side and pick the frames up, but in this case you got to stand facing the hive and come in sideways and twist, and it just doesn't feel right. We're going to give these girls some pollen as well, and that's all there is to it. We'll switch over and check the third one here. '23 Red Dot Italian Hybrid. She's a good looking queen, and we're expecting great things from her. So we get her put back in the hive. These are Hive Alive brand pollen patties.